All right, good morning. Hopefully y'all can see me. It is Monday, and we headed to the gym. I'm going to the gym twice today. I'm making some beet juice. Y'all can see it. Only thing I do is just take the beets and I just add in a little water, and we're gonna get all the clumps out of it. And we're gonna take this right quick. We're gonna zoop it down. I think I got all the chunks. Let me get through the workout. And I'm going to scramble up some eggs. I'm not hungry, but I need some protein also to help get through the workout. So we're going to do that to get through the workout. I've been rushing this morning. I got up this morning and I went to get an oil change. And yeah, that was a whole situation, because I thought the man was charging me. I thought he was God. I thought he was charging me. Come on. I thought he was charging me. Y'all, I thought he was charging me $119 plus $29 for the alignment. And the man was talking about $119 for the oil change and $129 for the alignment. So when I got to check out, and them folks come out of $200 and some dollars, $279 something, baby, I was like, oh no, what's going on here? And he look, I wait for everything, get for rushing. And we gonna eat them. And I was like, no, what's going on here? He was like, he explained to me, we ain't paying it. Not today. Can't do that. Ain't gonna do that. Won't do that. We ain't coming here for that. So I'm gonna scuff down these eggs. We're going to the gym. And I will see you guys there. Love eggs. All right, we at the crunch and the fitness. Just get started. Oh Lord, and breathe this out. And it's wet, so and it just got started. Oh, girl.
I wanna be the best in the game. That's my name. I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess, and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout, and fame. A disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering negativity.
Guys, we I think it's 6:30. I've been up since 5. We are headed to the gym. Probably not gonna take y'all because I'm not gonna do too much today. Probably just gonna get on the machine and ride the bike. No, get on the machine and go to the sauna. But we are headed to the gym. And it's so rainy, y'all. And it then started back getting cold. So, we'll see. But I don't know what else we're going to do today. But what else we do, I'm going to take y'all with me. And see y'all when I get back. All right, y'all. Today is kind of a lazy day. I'm already sweating. And I'm just in here. Just really just riding the bike. Ride the bike for bye-bye. 20 or 30 minutes. Then we'll send me some. I worked out hard yesterday, so even though I'm in here, I'm not gonna just work out. I'm really just moving my body. So I'm in here, moving my body, and getting no sweat. Move your body. So this is a quick and easy something we're doing for today. I got broccoli, chicken, shrimp, and then I'm going, girl, so quick and easy. I'm gonna do this brown rice. Girl, whole grain brown rice. I got from Dollar Tree. I'm pop it in this microwave. Let it do what it do. Take it, get 2 bowls. Me and my hubby. The rice gonna be the base of it. And then we're gonna put this on top, girl. I wish I had a little sauce, but I don't. That's gonna be dinner, girl. So, much one. Now listen, after I showed y'all the healthy stuff, I ate snacks. That's what I'm working on, y'all. I gotta get y'all pray for you, girl. Gotta get them snacks out, especially for right now. I gotta stay focused on the health and not snack. I ate some skin, and then I ate some of these, girl. And trust and believe, I didn't eat the portion size. Oh, gee, I didn't eat the portion size, y'all. I was so hungry. We went to the gym. We went straight to church. And we got out of church about 12:30. And I was hungry. All right. Let me finish this up and I'll show y'all what it look like. For season, I use black pepper, allspice, salt. I use, what is that? Adobe. I use, this is Italian. I use paprika, and I use Cajun. And then I used some, hold on. And then I used, can you see it back there? No, then I used some onion, chopped onion right there. And that's it. And when I tell you the taste is really good. Oh, and I did use some Italian seeds. I showed y'all that. Okay. All right. That's the brown rice. Plated up. I'm going to put this on top. Hold on. I said I don't have any soy sauce or anything like that to drizzle on top. But if you got any kind of sauce you want to drizzle on top, that's it, girl. Good eat, quick, fast, ain't in the kitchen long. Let's get it done. Thank you.